Hello friends and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Java and Android, and I hope you understand that Java video which we have just covered up previously. Also today, we are just building an amazing project using Android here, and using Android today, I will be telling you that how to build an amazing Netflix navigation here. So in the start, I am just telling you how to build an animated navigation using Android. So today we are building an amazing Netflix navigation using Android here. So I hope you'll be understanding this video as well. So if you understand this video, if you enjoy this project which we are building here, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. And after subscribing, the notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project from the start. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we will be just building this project and what things we will be including in this project from the start. So just like I'm telling you in the start, like today we are just building an amazing Netflix navigation from start using Android. So now we'll be starting with our video and seeing that how we can just build this amazing Netflix navigation when we are using Android here. So for building this project, I will be moving to my desktop Android folder, and this was our folder here. So I will be directly opening this folder. After opening this folder, you have to move to the main files of this, and then I will be removing all the things which we are getting here. After removing, you have to move to the script file, and then you have to remove all the things from here as well of the Android. Then you have to now directly move to the folder to open this file. So I will be now moving to my folder here, and then this was our folder, main folder. Then I will be opening this file. You can see now we have opened Netflix mobile navigation or Netflix navigation folder directly here. After opening this folder, you have to do it side by side, and then you have to move in the body tag and create some of the tags here. So first of all, I will be creating a button tag in which I will be giving it the class as navbtn, and here you have to now just create openbtn like this. So this is the button which we have create here I tag and write here fa as fa. Then I will be writing here bars. Then you have to create image tag in which I will be writing https slash logos. Then I will be writing download like this, and then right here .com slash wp content, and right here slash uploads slash, and then I will be writing 2016 slash 03 slash Netflix. Then I will be now just writing here underscore logo dot png like this. After writing this thing, you have to now give here the class of logo as well, and then in the alt I will be writing logo. After writing this, you have to create p tag. So here I will be now creating p tag class tags. In the center I will be writing mobile, or you can write here Netflix. So here I will be writing Netflix navigation like this. After writing this, you have to now just create div class and write here nav black like this. Then you have to now just write here div class, and in class I will be writing nav red, and then you have to now create here div class and write here nav white like this. Then you have to now just write here button class, and then I will be writing here nav btn. Create another tag here which should be like close btn like this. And after creating this, you have to now write here I tag class and write fa as fa times. After creating this fa as fa times, you have to now just move after this close button tag. Image source should be https slash and write here logos download .com slash wp content. So here I will be now writing this. Right here uploads. So here I will be now writing slash uploads slash right here 2016 slash 03 slash Netflix underscore logo dot png. Then you have to now directly create your class of logo as well. Then you have to now just directly move after this image tag here, and then write here UL class list. Save it here and then reload. So you can see now we are getting all these things, like we are getting logo and we are getting the text of Netflix navigation. But when I'm pressing my navigation bar, so my Netflix navigation is not showing us here because we have not put the Android codes here. So when we will be putting the Android Studio codes, then we will be getting the Netflix navigation working here. So now I will be moving down, create li tag, a tag. Then you have to now write here teams. Then you have to now directly move down and create li tag, a tag. Then you have to write here locations. Then you have to now move down after this, write here li a tag. So here I will be now just write here li a tag and write here live at Netflix. So here I will be now writing this. Then after writing this, you have to write here li, then you have to write here ul tag. Then I will be writing li a tag and then write here Netflix culture name, or you can say culture name. Then you have to now move down after this tag, write here li a tag, and then you have to write here work life balance. So here I will be now writing like this. And after writing this, you have to create li a tag and write here inclusion Then you have to now write here add diversity like this. Then you have to move down and create li tag, a tag, and then you have to now just write here plot. Save it here and then reload. You can see now we are getting all that stuff, but we are not showing that here in this file. So I will be now moving to my main div file and create a script tag like this. Right here source script.js. Save it here. Reload. Now our Android file has been linked here. So now we will be moving to our main file of Android. Then create open buttons here. So I will be now writing here open buttons is equals to document dot query selector and then write here open btn. So here I will be now writing. Then you have to write here fonts close button. So here I will be writing. Then I will be removing s from here like this document and then right here dot query selector and right here dot close btn. These are the classes which we have used in our main file. Right here fonts tabs is equals to document dot query selector and here I will be now writing query selector on. Then you have to now directly write here dot length. After writing this you have to close it and then you have to write here open button and write here dot add event listener and then write here click comma make this tag and then you have to now just do like this and then create a tag like this of nabs. Then write here for each, write here nab and then you have to write here another tag. So I will be moving here, creating two tag and I will be writing nab, write here nab dot class list. So here I will be now writing here. Then you have to write here add, make this tag and write here visible. So I will be writing here visible like this. Then you have to now just close this and then here I will be moving down and closing this. Right here close button, right here add event listener like this and then you have to make this tag to right here click, make this bracket and then write like this. Move down and then after moving down you have to now just do like this. Then move forward and write here nabs dot for each and then you have to create this tag and again write here nab, then write here nab dot class list which we have created at the top. Then write here dot remove this time and then I will be writing visible. After writing this you have to save it here, then close this tag as well, save it and then reload. After reloading if I show you, you can see our Netflix navigation is working and when I'm pressing here, we are getting our Netflix navigation here with an amazing animation also. You can see how good looking is that. So this is our amazing Netflix navigation which we have just built here through Android. So I hope you understand how we have just built. So this is a normal Netflix navigation which we have just built here. The simple thing is that you can put your own logo here. You can put any of the burger menu from Bootstrap or any of the CDN library. Then you can write the name of the project like I have written Netflix navigation. You can write only navigation or simple navigation or modern navigation, animated navigation. You can give any of the title here or you can say a heading. Then you have to just press this and after pressing you will be getting animation effect with the red and black color of Netflix and you can see we are getting all the things here like themes, location, life at Netflix, Netflix culture memo, work-life balance, inclusion and diversity and blog. So we are getting all the things which we have written in our main file and when I'm pressing this cross, so my nav bar is also closing here, means my Netflix navigation is also closing here. So like this you can just create this amazing navigation bar. So I hope you understand this how we can just create an amazing Netflix navigation when we are just working with Android from scratch. So this was a simple small video for the introduction of Netflix navigation and for telling you that how you can create your own Netflix navigation when you are working with Android Studio or any of the language. So just now I hope you understand this video. So if you have understand this, so remember to hit a like and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing a notification bell so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build this project from start. So this time we meet you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.